Welcome to Keto Lab's How-To series. In this tutorial, we will use COVID-19 sample data and show how to filter the rows for deaths and hospitalizations from the main dataset and save them as separate tables in the Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse. Before we dive in, be sure to check the description for our previous tutorial link to learn how to automate the ETL pipeline in Lakehouse and create a notebook to load data. Now sign into your Fabric Lakehouse and let's get started. We will start by loading the dataset into our Fabric notebook. First, click Open Notebook and click New Notebook. We will use a Delta table format for loading the data. If you are working with a CSV file, you can adjust the loading format accordingly. Once the notebook is loaded, go to Lakehouses. Then click the three dots beside the table name and click Load Data and click Spark. Use the command shown on the screen. It reads the dataset from the specified path in your data lakehouse. And click Run icon, it may take some time to run the command. Once the dataset is loaded, scroll to the bottom and click plus code and type the command shown on the screen. It will filter out the rows where the outcome is listed as deaths by applying a filter to the data frame. And click Run icon. Once loaded, it will successfully separate the deaths data from the main dataset. Similarly, click plus code again and type the command shown on the screen. It will filter out the rows where the outcome is listed as hospitalizations. And click Run icon. Once loaded, we have both deaths and hospitalizations data stored in separate data frames. Now it's time to store them on new tables in the Lakehouse. Type the commands as shown on screen. To reduce effort, we will copy and paste the main table path and edit it to make a new table path to save the deaths data table. Follow the steps as shown on screen. And we will follow the same way to type command to store the hospitalizations data. Follow the steps as shown on screen. You may pause the video and note the commands. Now click on Run. Now go to the Lakehouse and refresh the table. We can see two separate tables for deaths and hospitalizations respectively. Let's open the table for deaths to load the death data table. And also open the table hospitalizations to verify if the data loaded successfully. This tutorial helps you efficiently manage large data sets by isolating key data points for analysis. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching!